Hello and welcome to Justclickk JAMB ePractice. I would like to let you know that your success on JAMB depends on your competence on a CBT platform like this. On JAMB Day, you will be provided with a similar interface, and the first step that will be required of you is to enter your JAMB registration number in the input box provided, something around here. So type in your JAMB registration number, then you click the login button, and then you'll be taken into the examination page where you will now have to confirm your subject because they will be loaded automatically, and then confirm if that is your exam number and your photo by the side if it is available. Below your photo, you will find the critical information about you: your full name, your JAMB registration number, your phone number if available, and your other status, like local state, local government, and gender. And then just around here, you will now see the available examinations. And once you're satisfied, that's when you will now click on the start button. Else, you have to log out and call their technical assistance to find out why your informations are not loading, rather you're seeing someone else's information. So if you confirm your information to be okay, then click on start exam. Once you click on start exam on the JAMB platform, you'll be taken to the next page. But on this practice CBT system, you are asked to set the time. So click this and then select the practice time. If you intend to practice for 1 hour or 3 hours, that's up to you. And once you select that, it disappears, and then you click the start button. Remember, I told you on JAMB Day, you don't need to click somewhere else, just the start exam. It will take you to the next page. So the next page most likely will be test instructions, because we have followed JAMB real-time steps on this platform. So once you see test instruction, you have to read carefully the instructions during examination and after examination. These are instructions that will guide you during examination, and these are instructions to you after the examination. So once you're okay, and then you click continue. Then the examination will be loaded, and my dear, your time starts counting immediately. Look at the time remaining up here. Your time begins immediately. You're provided with your registered subjects in the 4 tabs. You have to carefully manage your time, and the first thing you need to do is to take a look at the subjects, if they are all loaded. Once you confirm that your subjects are all loaded, and then you begin to answer them by reading the questions first. You read the question, you select an option, and then you click next, and then it takes you to question 2. You select the answer, you click next, and then you continue in that manner, like that. And mind you, all the questions that you're answering will be highlighted in green at the question navigation button. You can also use the navigation button to go next to select the next available question. If you by mistake or intentionally jump a question, you can equally come back, let's say question 4, and click on the 4, and then it will take you, knowing pretty well that you have not answered that. Then you select the appropriate answer, and then you go back and click the next unanswered question, so that you continue from there. Using the next button is recommendable, as it takes you step by step. So this is how you tackle the first subject. And once you are done, or you got to a reasonable number that you want to switch, you can quickly click on the next subject and then, read the question, take the answer and go next, read the question, take the correct answer and go next. And that's how you continue for the rest of the subject. Make sure all your subjects are answered. All your subjects are answered before you click the submit button. If you have a little time left, then you can review your subject. You can review your subject if you have time left. But when there is no time, then once you're done with the first subject, just click the submit button and then you will be logged out peacefully. On the CBT, we provide calculator and time converter. I am not sure if JAMB will provide these options for you, but should in case you saw options like this in the JAMB platform, you can equally make use of them. So this is how you take the exam. Once you click submit, it's going to log you out peacefully. But for the practice sake, it's going to take you to your results slip where you will see your scores. This is how our JAMB CBT platform for practice works. It takes you, once you click submit, it takes you to the results slip where you can see your subjects and how many scores you got on each subject, knowing pretty well that the passing score is 240 for the practice, and considering your aggregate, you have failed. This is the analysis here. You can print if you wish, otherwise you log out. So this is where the success of your exams begin. Don't be deceived by exam runs or any form of malpractice. Concentrate, practice well, and you will get your high score. Be used to a CBT system, practice severally, get used to the platform, and on that day you'll be provided with a similar platform that will play a reasonable role in your success. Thanks for watching this video.